and welcome to this new episode. In this episode, we're going to be talking about genre and what genre fits your voice. Let's dive into it. Hi, welcome to this new episode. Today, we're talking about genre. One big question that I get all the time when I'm working with new people is, hey Maggie, what do you think I should be singing? What genre do you think my voice fits? And then they, most of the time, give me a little thing to listen to about how their voice sounds. And then they ask me, so tell me, what genre does it fit into? What should I be singing? And I do get where that comes from, like that idea that one voice fits one specific genre. That's something that many singers believe. And their whole life, those singers might be looking for that one perfect genre that fits their voices. And again, I get where that comes from because when we're looking all around us, when we're looking at the artists that we look up to, they seem to be fitting in one genre. Right? You have Michael Jackson, pop. You have Bruno Mars, funk. You have Botticelli, classical music, right? Every big artist that we look up to seem to fit in one specific genre. Now the question is that actually true? Like, is it true that one voice fits one genre? And what if we could shift that perspective today? What if one voice could actually fit different genres? And for that, I want to give you the example of Ariana Grande. The Wheel of Musical Impression on YouTube. You can find all sorts of videos about it. But in that video, she's impersonating Shakira. So it's Ariana Grande singing like Shakira. She is singing like Celine Dion. She is singing like Whitney Houston. If you would close your eyes, you wouldn't even could tell the difference between Shakira or Whitney Houston. So here's a little excerpt of that video. So do you see how one voice can sing many different styles? So her vocal color changes and she can choose, in this style, I'm doing this color. In this style, I'm doing that color. So instead of asking yourself, in what genre does my voice fit? I would like to ask you this question. What genre do you like to sing? What genre do you want to sing? So if you have a voice that is bright and maybe even a little bit nasal, right? You could say that your voice fits the country genre, right? Because we do have a lot of twang in there in the country world. But what if you don't like to sing country? Then what, right? So let's start with this first question. What genre do you like to sing? Is it pop? Is it country? Is it heavy metal? Is it gospel? Like what do you like? What do you love? What do you want to learn? Because then, and that's the want to learn thing, then you can go and analyze, okay, what vocal techniques are needed for me to really master, to be able to sing in this genre. Does that make sense? So we're switching the perspective. Instead of asking yourself the question, what genre fits my voice? We're looking at it, well, I want to sing that genre. What does it need for my voice? What does it need from me to be able to sing that, right? If we don't do that, if we don't look at the genre that you like to listen to, that you like to sing in, well, then why are we singing at all, right? Singing should be fun. Singing should be something that, you're passionate about, something that you can express yourself with. And if you're singing a genre that you don't like, what's the point? The consequence is that you might stop altogether and that you lose your passion for singing, and we don't want to have that. So this is my invitation to you. Instead of looking at it from the perspective of what genre fits my voice, please, I invite you to think about this question. What genre do you want to excel at? What genre do you like? And then the second part of the question becomes, which vocal techniques do I need to master in order to sing in that genre? Now, vocal technique is a big part of this process, obviously. And if you don't know where to start, I have a free training sharing with you the most powerful vocal technique to, first of all, be able to change that vocal color. So what you've seen as an example from Ariana Grande, that's what we're going over in this training. And so this will really give you the variety to choose any genre that you want, because you have mastered that vocal technique to change your vocal color. This training is absolutely free. You can sign up using the link in the description here below. So I'm really looking forward to see you there. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. This was a great episode. Let me know your answers to these questions. What genre do you like? And what vocal technique do you need in order to master them? Email me, send me a DM on Instagram, however you want to reach out. I love to hear from you. And yeah, I wish you a very great week. Looking forward to see you here again next week. Bye.